Keyboard shortcut to open PowerShell from the desktop. I know there is a keyboard shortcut to run PowerShell from the File Explorer as explained here. Open PowerShell as administrator at current File Explorer directory. Keyboard shortcut, Windows 10. But can I open PowerShell while I am on the desktop? Something like Win+E to open a File Explorer.
When you press Win+X, you may see little underlines under the options. If you press I, PowerShell will open. So, the shortcut is Win+XI, or Win+XA for an elevated prompt.
You can pin your PowerShell to your taskbar and then move the icon to the far left. Now you can use Win+1 to start it. For an elevated PowerShell, Win Alt+1 return.
You can set PowerShell to open up with any keyboard shortcut you want by simply right-clicking on any PowerShell shortcut file, then go into Properties, then click in the shortcut key box and enter your key. I'll demonstrate below. In this case I'll be using Ctrl+Alt+T.